Well, I looked over Jordan and now what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. There was a band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Now I'm sometimes up and I'm sometimes down, coming for to carry me home. But I know in my soul that I'm a heavenly bound, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Well, if you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. Tell all my friends that I'm coming soon, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. You know they're coming for to carry me home. You know they're coming for to carry me home.
Remember how I tried to run, and I can't see my mind's in the ditch, 'cause I tried to keep time with the licks. My body keeps telling me where to go. I talk to me or say I'm headed for a ride. If I don't get the sound, I may hurt myself. I know you've said it to you before about those bones in your closet. Cling to the draining spirit, coming like Hart and steel. Hey, we will definitely drive you home. The same perfection, section, the same perfection, section. Thoughts can always dictate, for some reason they get you. Everyone looks for their big break, but God's been there the whole time. But God is right, but he's been behind. Jesus is right, but he's been behind. Friends in need for a step in the back. Dirty, hot, tight, heights, cold out, running hearts, driving us right there. Legend of friendship, these are the sins we feel. Spiritual leaders they say he took it too far, he didn't mean it that way. So it happens once again. Folks are letting you know who.
You don't know the right people. You're from the wrong street. You don't seem to wind up where the right people meet. And you know you'd like to get there, but you just can't feel. Could fall off a mountain, it just wouldn't seem real. And I'm asking you to help me, 'cause no one else will. Then you come down like a cloudburst, beating on my windowsill, and you tell me it's okay. The truth has set me free. Why not be? 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 Why not be?
Oh, yeah, the closer walk with thee. Great Jesus, if you please, daily walking close, Lord, to thee. Let it be, Lord, let it be. Well, now through this world, the torch, Lord, is snare. If I fall down, Lord, who cares? Who will be my burden share? Well, none but thee, Lord, none but thee. Ain't pretty fast, sing. Well, now when my fever lifelong is over, oh, time for me won't be no more. Oh, guide me gently, safe, Lord, at home. Well, I show, Lord, thy kingdom to thy show. All right, guitar play for it.
strong staff in my hand, said the child as he stood. And he stood, and he stood, and 'twere well that he stood. With a strong staff in my hand, said the child as he stood. Oh, how will you go by sea, said the knight on the road, with a good boat unto me, said the child as he stood. And he stood, and he stood, and 'twere well that he stood. With a good boat unto me, said the child as he stood. Oh, methinks I hear a bell, said the knight on the road. It's ringing you to hell, said the child as he stood. And he stood, and he stood, and 'twere well that he stood. It's ringing you to hell, said the child as he stood. Oh, what brings you here so late, said the knight on the road. I go to meet my God, said the child as he stood. And he stood, and he stood, and 'twere well that he stood. I go to meet my God, said the child as he stood.
in the valley so long.
My Father in heaven, and we stand together around the microphone. I ask you to go with us, to stand by us. Brothers up while we're torn down, and then catch us while we're falling. We're nothing but pilgrims and strangers. We're traveling from land to land. We know that you're God, that you sit high and look low, that you while you look to see and don't frown upon us. Give it all coming fades. We'll charge up in a dying hour. Please have mercy this evening. told me when I need you to call upon you. I got the same faith belief when I call and they call right. But you will come tell me that's too. Have mercy this evening. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Why you look this evening? Look in the city of Chicago this evening. Bless my mother, Lord. Realize you get old and feeble. Realize you get mindless. You told me you're the mind regulator. You're the soul reviver. Oh, dying bed maker. Oh, you heart-fixing God. Please have mercy this evening. Then when the war fell is over, when I can't pray no more, Lord, sometimes my belly gets so heavy, I have to fold my arms and groan.
I heard about a man one day who wasted not his time away. He prayed to God. He prayed to God every morning, noon and night. He cared not for the king's decree, but trusted God who set him free. Old Daniel prayed. Old Daniel prayed every morning, noon and night. Old Daniel served the living God while here upon this earth he trod. He prayed to God. He prayed to God every morning, noon and night. He cared not for the things of Baal, but trusted God who never failed. Daniel prayed. Old Daniel prayed every morning, noon and night. They cast him in the lion's den because he would not honor men. He prayed to God. He prayed to God every morning, noon and night. Their jaws were locked, it made him shout, and God soon brought him safely out. Old Daniel prayed. Old Daniel prayed every morning, noon and night. Old Daniel served the living God while here upon this earth he trod. He prayed to God. He prayed to God every morning, noon and night. He cared not for the things of Baal, but trusted God who never fails. Old Daniel prayed. Old Daniel prayed every morning, noon and night. Oh, brother, let us watch and pray like Daniel lived from day to day. He prayed to God. He prayed to God every morning, noon and night. He cared not for the king's degree, but trusted God who set him free. Old Daniel prayed. Old Daniel prayed every morning, noon and night. Old Daniel served the living God while here upon this earth he trod. He prayed to God. He prayed to God every morning, noon and night. He cared not for the things of Baal, but trusted God who never fails. Old Daniel prayed. Old Daniel prayed every morning, noon and night.
Love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful. It is not arrogant or rude. Love does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice at wrong, but rejoices in the right. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never